Guys, take a look at what we have right here at Towell Son Auto Sales in Manila. I'm talking a 2015 model Dodge Dart. This is a good looking raspberry wine burgundy type color. Got the dark charcoal gray graphite wheels on it. Zoom in a little bit on them. This car is nearly brand new, guys. 2015. No history, no problems, no troubles. The only trouble it's ever been in is right now. As you can see, a good looking sporty car. And I'm gonna swing by him to give you an idea. Man, that was a bald head I just saw. Looking in here. What's that smell?
New.
New, that's exactly right. New car smell, because it is a new car. Dark charcoal on the inside. This thing will get up and roll, I bet you. Give us a call, click, text, send us an email, www.towellsons.com. Phone number is 870-561-4577. Guys, this is new and net ready. Holler at us today.